Good morning, everybody. Elizabeth 99 aka Elizabeth Dodson here. Welcome back for more video games lesson. How you guys have been doing? Me doing well. Before we get started, there are two things on Saints Or. Let's start with our most favorite light. Please sign in, please sign, and don't forget to take the next step. If you had to share throughout the other social media. Please show your support. Let me tell you what I talk about. This young lady here, they're taking that step right there. Just always right here. Back to the video game. Hold on for this moment. Okay. I'm back. Okay. This is where we left on. Remember that, guys, all of these videos in this much and not spoiler ahead. Please play all your favorite video games and everything out first before watch this video. Take your time, and also there are a lot of upcoming games, DLC, something like that coming out like very soon, in course next year or so. We have to wait and see. If I go too fast, you have to look up the name, the game console for yourself if you want to. Remember, key eye on the name of the game and the date when it came out by a different game console. So, this is the owner of this guy. So we get going. Alright, we'll stop by here. See you next video. Bye.